Welcome, students. Today we are going to deal with another topic, that is nature and characteristics of Indian consumers. We are going to see the detailed how actually the behavior and the nature and characteristic of Indian consumers. So, beginning to the introduction of the part, uh, you know that India is diversified country. We have so many states, we have so many religions, we have so many languages, we have so many cultures. So this is added to the very different advantage to the being studied about Indian consumers, because each state has their own culture, their own languages, and they have their own diversity. So you will find all type of people. Economically and social status is different from state to state, place to place, and this is a tricky proposition to understand the market and the behavior of the Indian consumers. So as the market undergoes a paradigm shift due to India's rapid economic growth, I'm not talking about the present condition, I'm talking about the before pandemic conditions. Rapid economic growth and favorable demographics, it has also become a market impossible to dismiss. So after the globalization and after the entering to the international MNCs and all, so we have seen there is a huge shift of the changing the life and standard of living. Everything has changed to the Indian customers or Indian consumers. Now moving further, here we can see that so economic growth and rising disposable income of Indian consumers is increased. So due to economic growth, the salaries and income is increased, and with that disposable income of the Indian consumers is also increased. So Indian biggest characteristic is middle class, we all know that. So the rising number and the income is thus becoming the biggest market segment for companies. And another thing we can say that the size and value at a slower pace than the middle class. So middle class is the biggest character, and economic growth is contributing much, and disposable income which is increasing, which is leading to the development, more and more purchase of the goods and services in the country. Pro growth demographics. So we have seen that in other countries retirement and this and all, but in India if you find 54% Indians are less than 25 years. So youngest population in India is very high. So we have huge young population in India. So obviously you can understand this, the behavior of the consumers. Obviously youngster spends more. Change in the paradigm has shifted. They are spending more and more, and they are earning more also. Coming to next point, decoding the empowered Indian consumers. So now Indian consumers have already grabbed the attention of global market people, because of after I told you, after globalization, India has changed totally. Okay, the demand has increased, the income has increased, and spending is also increased. People, Indian consumers are ready to spend on brand nowadays. You all are also a part of that. You always look for a brand, you always look for the quality, and nowadays you look for convenience and eager to explore the organized retail market. Earlier days, if you see yourself, you need to go to visit a mall to Bangalore or somewhere else. But nowadays, you will find malls and the big retail shops branded you can find in your own cities. Aspiration for a better life, obviously, this has changed a lot. Now, in a village also, in urban area also, in suburban urban area also, you will find people are looking for better life. So even India is seen this change. They want good quality products. They look for mobile phones, high quality mobile phones, and they always look for the betterment of life. Now you can't say that villages don't own a car, no, don't own a good mobile phone. No, that has been shifted very highly. Everyone owns nowadays. Everyone is looking for a better life. That is the one of the big character of Indian consumers. Value and innovation. Nowadays, information available at fingertips. You can go access anywhere, anytime. Every customer is aware about the new thing, and they are very aware about the new products which are coming into the market. They do comparison, they check on YouTube, they check on websites, they ask the experts, and then they decide the product which or services which needs to be purchased. Nowadays, always Indian consumers are looking for value and innovation for what they are paying, and they are looking for the new thing which are coming in the market. The brand conscious of consumers. So brand conscious, you all see, I told you, young generation is very becoming sophisticated and brand conscious. So you also look for same thing, because brand is becoming a status, and youth is preferring brand to maintain the status, as the middle class end consumer is beginning to look beyond the utility aspect of a product to seek intangibles like brand and lifestyle statement associated with the products. So this is the one of the brand conscious is increasing Indian customers. Everyone is looks for brand nowadays. Food, beverages, and more. So obviously, consumers enter the market, demand for food and beverages will continue to increase. So there is a huge increase in social and economic awareness with fuel expenditure on health. People are spending more on that. Fitness, yoga, gym, and all. Education, people are ready to spend. Communication, everyone is ready to spend on that. Transportation and entertainment. So we have changed the biggest change in particular this segment. Electronic goods, personal care, healthcare, automobile sectors are expected to receive a significant boost in the coming years. Obviously, electronic goods market is a huge in India. Personal care also developing very fast. Healthcare is again developing fast. Everyone is bothered about their health. Automobile sectors, they always look for the better automobile. Okay, you can see the market also, how things are going on, but except this pandemic situation. Moving further, if you look at characteristics, things are changing, obviously, because I already explained age structure, education level. Nowadays, there is no gender bias, female or male, young and old. No, this is all changing in Indian market. Everyone is shifting to the modernized world. Indian consumer is getting more materialistic, yes, because now we all are very materialistic nowadays, getting more and more materialistic. Urban population had adopted work hard and get rich policy, because work more and more, earn more, and spend more. So Indians are motivated than ever by personal ambition and a desire for material success. So you obviously, if you see, Indians work for 50 hours a week. So this has made India hardest working country, nation in globally if we compare. Moving further, expected utility from products are services. So this is the one of the big characteristic of Indian consumers, that they always look for the utility, and especially for their functional to lifestyle. Consumerism, a way of life. Consumerism is nowadays you are protected by a law, government. There is consumer court also. You can find it in every city. So desire has been increasing. Everyone is bothered about electronics and durables. You can find earlier durables were just like luxurious products, but today durables and electronics have become basic requirements of any house. So next is comfort with borrowing to fund future consumption. So EMI options are very highly available. Credit cards are available. If you go online purchasing, you will find so many EMI options. Even no cost EMI options are also available, even with cost EMI option available. So borrowing has increased, so spending is also increased. So everyone look for, especially in India, they look for EMI option. If you see the data, 60% salaries in EMI makes a lot of sense in borrowing. So even in, if you look at local market, you go through credit card, you can go through Bajaj cards. There are huge finance options are also available to purchase the products. Foreign impact, India is a paramount. Obviously, made in India has got more credibility, faith in domestic companies, have grown up. Consumers want products that are made in India. So you have seen that recent trend is also going on. support Indian products, make in India, buy in India, make in India. Okay, so obviously Indians are gradually growing to be preferred made in Indian products. So that also we have seen. Coming to eating habits, yes, eating habits are changing. Nowadays, you are all youngsters. You can easily understand. You want pizza and burgers, the Western, also Chinese, also Spanish, also. This is eating habits have been changing in India. The rise of women. This is the one of the biggest aspect in Indian consumer market. Now, women are becoming more decision making in purchasing the products to the family and even personal. Nowadays, they are eating out. That has culture come up. More phone calls. Women are changing and recognizing their household chores. Opinion, onion paste, ginger paste, ready to eat food. You can find this all in your retail shop. So just quickly make, because women have started also working in the organizations. So the change in the rise of women, you can say, and shift also you have seen in women, that they are also nowadays decision maker in the family. Comfort level with technology. So infotech driven employment opportunities, mushrooming of call centers, each Apple cyber, grandman, grandpa, washing machines with physiologic and much more. You can see in the change in the technology. So technological change has brought a very difference in the consumer. Earlier, people used not need not to prefer the washing machines. Nowadays, they are preferring because of uh, change in the culture. Some more characters, if you see, luxury brands have to design a unique pricing strategy in order to get a foothold in the Indian market. You know how Indian customers, I already explained. If you switch state to state, you will find so many differences. High degree of family orientation extends to the extended family and friends as well. Brands with identities that support family values tend to be popular and accepted easily in the Indian market. If you look at advertisements of Indian brand also or outside brands, they look at emotional advertisement, and no brand should hurt any sentiments of culture or any community. So that Indian customers look more. Okay, thank you, and we will end today's topic. So.